Are you looking for the best belt sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best belt sanders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WORX 6321 7-amp 3 x 21N Ported Belt Sander. The 6321 measures approximately 12 inches LX 6.0 inches WX 6.50 inches H and weighs 6.2 pounds. That size will make the belt sander easy to control, and the weight means that you should not become fatigued. Its electric motor lists at a 7.0 amps rating that drives the belt at 820 feet per minute under no load conditions. You will need to bear down heavily on the sander as you work to cause any slowdown on belt speeds. It includes a detachable dust bag and has a simple design that beginners can master quickly. Up next in the 4th place is the WORX 6502T 4.3 amp 4x 36N Belt and 6N Disc Sander. WORX 6502T measures approximately 22 inches LX 11 inches WX 12.5 inches H. It weighs just under 38 pounds. That makes this combination belt disc sander compact and lightweight, both being features hobbyists can appreciate. A 4.3 amp electric motor drives the sanding surfaces on this product. It can generate up to 3,600 rotations per minute without a load. Those may not be the highest rates for a benchtop belt sander, but they will suffice for most beginner and intermediate woodworkers. A small tabletop supports wood on both the disc and belt station. The belt can tilt up to 90 degrees for flat beveling on the edge of your lumber. The 3rd product on our list is the Bucktool Direct Drive Bench Belt Sander. The BD4801 from Bucktool measures 25.25 inches LX 20.50 inches WX 8.3 inches H and weighs shy of 40 pounds. It has a larger footprint due to the belt position, which is perpendicular to the housing. A 5.0 amp direct drive electric motor generates 3,450 RPMs under no load. It should provide more aggressive sanding than lower amp rated power tools, and the 3/4 horsepower output will not bog down. Its sanding belt adjusts up to 90 degrees, and the support table is also adjustable from 0 to 45 degree angles. A standout feature here is the 8-inch disc size, providing more sanding surface. Second on our list is the Metabo HPT Belt Sander. The body of the Metabo Belt Sander measures 6.0 inches LX 6.75 inches WX 4.0 inches H. That is compact for a belt sander. It does weigh 9.5 pounds, which you might expect for the power output it offers. Metabo uses a 1020 watt electric motor with a 9.0 amp rating. Variable speed controls allow you to manipulate belt speeds between 820 and 1,475 feet per minute. These adjustments enable you to adjust how aggressively the sander tackles the wood surface. A clear front cover allows you to see more of the action as you work. It comes with a left side mounting dust bag and a 5-year warranty package for extended coverage. Finally, the top product on our list is the Craftsman Belt Sander. The body on this belt sander measures 14.37 inches LX 5.44 inches WX 5.64 inches H. It weighs about 6.64 pounds, which is not heavy considering the length. An electric motor rated at 7.0 amps drives the belt at 800 feet per minute under no load. An adjustable handle provides comfort as you work in the 90-day satisfaction, 3-year limited warranty for comfort as you buy.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.